Welcome back, friends. In this video, I will show you how to create QR code in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in this Excel sheet, there are some data or information in the column A. Requirement is to create QR code images in the column B. For this, I can simply select the data range. Click on Developer tab, click on Macros, select this Create QR Code macro and run the macro. Look at the column B, QR code images are created. Let's learn how to do this in Excel. First, copy the VBA code required for generating the QR codes. The VBA code is here in this Notepad document. I will provide this code link in the video description below, from where you can copy the code. Select the code and copy. Go to Excel, click on Developer tab, then Visual Basic. Click on Insert tab, then Module. In the Module area, paste the copied code. Close the VBA window. Select the data range from which you want to create the QR code images. Click on the Developer tab, then Macros. Here you have the Create QR Code macro. Select the macro, then run it. The QR codes has been created. To save the macro in the workbook, you have to save it as Excel macro enabled file format. That was about creating QR code in Excel. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button and also subscribe the channel to get more video tutorial updates in future. Thank you for watching.